Hello guys, welcome again to Verified. So it is late night here, but I've just gotten a question from one of you, the subscribers, and I've seen it good that I do the video in this late night to answer this question. And the question is about after the DS260. And the question goes, what follows after the DS260 and how can I make my DV processing successful after the DS260 submission? And the answer to this is that after submitting your DS260, the next step is to wait for the letter scheduling you for your interview. And this letter is normally called the second notification letter. And this is the letter that will give you the details of your interview, the dates of your interview, and whatever process you are required to do before your interview. There's nothing more you are supposed to do rather than just wait for that second notification letter. But what will you do in the meantime as you're waiting for the second notification letter? Will you just stay and wait for it? There are things that I'm going to discuss here that you are supposed to do in the meantime as you're waiting for the second notification letter. And the first thing that is very wise of you to do is to prepare all the documents that you will need during the interview. And these documents include all the supporting documents for the information you provided inside of your DS260 form. If you lost some of your documents, and I repeat, if you lost some of your documents, it is the highest time that you apply for a replacement, because KCC will not accept, or the embassy will not accept, soft copy documents. They need to see the original copies of the documents, the hard copies. As you attend your interview, you will be required to present physical documents. So if you had lost some of your documents, it is the highest time as you're waiting for the second notification letter to make an application for a replacement. If it's the academic documents, apply for a replacement. If it is the marriage certificate, apply for the replacement. Speaking of the marriage certificate, if you had applied as married and you are customarily married according to your customary laws in your countries, what you're supposed to do is now to apply for the legal marriage certificate issued by your government. That is the only document that will prove your marriage, not the customary law certificate. Apply for the government issued marriage certificate. On the same note, as you're waiting for your second notification letter, if you have issues with your names, if the names appearing on your birth certificate differ from the names appearing on the other documents, for example, the academic documents, it is now the time, as you're waiting for the second notification letter, to apply for an affidavit of name. The affidavit of name is that affidavit that you swear before a court or an advocate, confirming that you are the same person bearing those differing names. So prepare this document as you're waiting for the second notification letter. Another document that you're supposed to prepare as you're waiting for the second notification letter is the police clearance certificate. And I did a very detailed video on the police clearance certificate with its expiry. And I said that the expiry of your country is different from the expiry considered by the United States Embassy. If in your country your police clearance certificate expires after 6 months, in the United States Embassy, the police clearance certificate expires after 24 months, after 2 years that is. So your police clearance certificate will still be valid even if you apply now. Your police clearance certificate will still be valid because 2 years will not have expired before you get your interview. Finally, what you're supposed to do as you're waiting for the second notification letter is keep an eye on every visa bulletin that comes out. Every month, there comes out a visa bulletin. And in this visa bulletin, DV lottery information is included. And in that information, there will be a cutoff number. And that is the number below which all the cases are current. And that means all the cases below that case number presented in the visa bulletin will be interviewed in a month to come or so. So keep an eye on the visa bulletin. Be updated regarding the diversity visa every moment. And those guys are some of the very important tips after you have submitted your DS260. As you're waiting for the second official letter, please follow those tips and you will be sure that your interview will be a success. I hope I've answered your question, you who asked this question, plus many others who will find this video useful. Please consider subscribing to the channel and also like the video, and let's meet in the next video.